cooking apa?
As you can see from here, Appa is actually boiling some anchovy soup. Yeah, so I put in some ikan bilis inside a tea bag and boil for approximately 5 minutes. Together, I put in few pieces of ginger to help to remove the fishiness from the ikan bilis. This is one of the easiest stock that I love to make every day. So easy and it'll be very yummy, even though it only takes you about 5 minutes, because you should not cook your ikan bilis for too long. The fishy smell can be too strong. Of course, you have another way to remove the fishy smell, which is to actually fry the ikan bilis first. But the thing is, that will take even longer time. So Appa lazy, I put I put the dried ikan bilis into the tea bag, boil for 5 minutes, then my broth is ready. Right, this is after 5 minutes boiling the ikan bilis. I'm taking out the ikan bilis. I'm going to add in some tong choy. Put in my favorite Akun Yiyan fish ball I got it from Aeon. Then we give it some fine salt, few dashes of white pepper, and some fried shallot. You can give it some spring onion if you have, yeah? To give it about, actually I have some spring onion, let me get it. I have some spring onion here. So the fish ball has been cooking under the broth for about 1-2 minutes. It's basically done. That's how simple it is to make a very yummy soup for your family at home. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.